Okay, so this is the H11 bulb. That's gonna go in the top portion right there. You remove the dust cap, and then you remove the H11 bulb, the H11 connector attached to the H11 bulb. Remove that. Then the bulb you twist off. You remove it, and then you get the H11 LED. You remove the top screw-on cap that it has. Then the sleeve comes off. That way you can be able to install. Okay. Then you insert the LED bulb onto the housing. And same thing, it's a twist lock. And then what you're going to want to do is feed the wires in to the lower portion, which is going to be the high beam. Then you reconnect, tuck everything in, all the wiring, the LED driver box, and then the H11 connector from the LED gets pushed in through the top portion. That way you can connect your LED bulb. There you go. And then you get your H11 connector, and the polarity shouldn't matter. Could be, they both work off of positive and negative, but the polarity doesn't matter on these bulbs. And then what you're gonna want to do is tuck all the wiring in. In the cap, what you can do is, before you install it, you can measure the LED bulb. It should measure about 1.5 inches. What you want to do is cut a hole on the cap about 1.5 inches, exactly on the back, towards the middle. It's gonna look about that size.